So the big question I'm getting asked is, Joe, what did the Fed hike in interest rates, 75 basis point hike, mind you, and interest rate due to the mortgage interest rate or the mortgage market? And actually, guys, the Fed's announcement yesterday was a positive one for mortgage rates. And the reason being, well, I think the reason being is because the financial markets were kind of sitting back waiting to see how much they would actually raise the rates. And they were talking about if it was only going to be 50 basis points, that the Fed wasn't taking inflation seriously. But since they did raise them 75 basis points, they felt that the Fed was taking inflation seriously. Therefore, the equity markets and bond markets rallied, which in turn helped push those interest rates back down a tad. So what I want to do here is, if you followed me before, I like to show you this little chart here. And this little chart here has to do with mortgage-backed securities. And as you can see, yesterday, we picked up about 125 basis points positive in this number here. We started the day out 70 basis points up. As you can see right now, we gave back a little bit from yesterday. Looking at this chart, you can see that this chart has a inverse relationship to rates. So as this chart goes down, these little ticks here, which are each day in trading, as they go down, as I shared with you before, mortgage interest rates go up. And as you can see from March, kind of had a steady decline down. But starting June 9th, we kind of fell off the cliff. And then yesterday we had some bounce back. And today we lost a little bit, but looks like we're gaining some ground. So fingers crossed, we will continue to go north, which are going to help with interest rates. But guys, as I've said lately, don't worry about interest rates. We have strategies in place to help you combat those interest rates, to make it feel like you're still getting a 4.5% interest rate, or you're looking at a $500,000 house, to make it feel like you're buying a $400,000 house. So feel free to reach out to me, ask any questions that you might have. As I said before, if you are in the market currently for a mortgage and you have not locked your interest rate yet, you definitely want to get with your mortgage guy and or lady and talk about locking in interest rates, and even possibly talk about some long-term locks and possibly float downs if the market does get better. All right, guys, I can share any information on a one-on-one call. Please feel free to reach out to me. And as always, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and we'll talk soon. Thank you.